Gusto mo ba ng may health fund ka, tapos ikaw pa rin ang magsusustain for other kinds of illnesses or accidents? Or, meron ka pa rin health fund, pero meron kang institution na naka-back up sa'yo, just in case these kinds of illnesses or an accident occurs to your life. Hi everyone, this is Jason Gutierrez again from Rampver Financials. Okay, since napag-usapan na natin ang HMO and medical insurance, today naman I would like to share with you what is the most common concern or objection that I usually receive whenever I present HMO and a medical insurance. So ano po ba ito? Lagi ang tanong sa akin, Jason, meron na akong pre-existing condition or si mommy, si daddy may pre-existing condition. Hindi yata sulit bumili ng medical insurance or HMO. Okay? Sasagutin ko po yan. Before we go to that, I'd like to define first what is a pre-existing condition. So, pre-existing conditions are medical conditions that are already there before you buy a medical insurance or an HMO. So, ito po yung usually non-viral or non-bacterial. Katulad ng mga hypertension, diabetes, and like those kinds of illnesses, So, ibig sabihin, pangmatagalan na sakit na siya. And, why is it a concern? Usually po, sa isang HMO or medical insurance, hindi na po ito kino-cover or kung kino-cover man, limited lang. Kaya nafe-feel nung iba, whenever they want to buy an HMO medical insurance, okay, parang hindi yata sulit. Now, why is it like that? There's a control, that is being done by the insurance companies or the HMO companies where iniiwasan nila yung mga taong ganito. Okay? Usually kasi, ang nangyayari sa mga kliyente, okay, kaya nga ako kukuha ng HMO medical insurance kasi may nararamdaman na ako. Oops. Medyo familiar po ba? So isipin nyo na lang, Kung ikaw yung insurance company, papayag ka. We always tell our clients that you need to buy these things when you are healthy pa. Para makuha mo yung full coverage and masulit mo sila from the time when you need them. Okay? So isipin mo na lang, there are kinds of measures that are similar to that. Not even with an insurance company. Parang ganito yan. Samgyeopsal, for example, buffet, Isipin nyo, di ba may nakalagay doon na measure, no takeout? Bakit? Kasi para maiwasan yung exploitation. So isipin mo na lang, 10 kayo, pupunta kayo ng samgyeopsal. Tapos, lahat kayo may dala-dala kayong container or lunchbox, So, isipin mo na lang, magpapakuha ka ng lahat ng meat, pagluluto mo, tapos ilalagay mo lahat dun sa lunchbox mo. Di ba that's exploitation also? So, it is similar to what an insurance company is doing. And that is called anti-selection or adverse selection. Okay? Sana po, naiintindihan po natin yung sitwasyon na yan. And kasi po, isipin nyo na lang, paano pag 50%, 60%, 80% ng enrollee sa isang insurance company are may mga karamdaman na? Anong tingin nyo mangyayari? Di ba tataob yung insurance company because of that kind of scenario? Same with other businesses. If there would be that kind of exploitation, then it is not sustainable. So what we want, or what the insurance company wants, would be for them to offer you a sustainable benefit. I hope that is clear. Now, again, it posed a concern, Now, going back to the question, sulit po ba? And I think we would have a different opinion to this, and I would just like to share with you what's my take on this kind of concern. Now, I agree. If you have a pre-existing condition, if you get a limited coverage for that, that's actually a bonus. And I'd like to get that already. It's because at least kahit may binabayaran kang extra, may makukuha ka pa rin from what you're paying for, di ba? To be honest, I am in that kind of situation where my father, who is a 69-year-old, or has a pre-existing condition already. Okay? Now, my dad is hypertensive, so clearly, we have a medical insurance for him. We got a medical insurance for him. And his pre-existing condition is quite limited, in terms of coverage. But the question is, bakit ko pa din siya kinuha? Or bakit namin siya kinuha sa family? To cite an example, I'll show you this, okay? This one. So, parang example natin yan. Parang kunwari, ito yung health fund mo for your pre-existing condition. Now, since alam mo nang gagamit ka ng pera, no, or gagastos ka para sa iyong pre-existing condition, so pwede ka mag-ipon. Mag-iipon ka, magtatabi. Pwede sa pampacheck up mo, for your medicine, pag na-confine ka, I agree, maganda yan, no? And actually, preparing for the future yan. Now, the question is, what if itong nilaan mo, okay, nagamit mo para sa ibang medical condition? Katulad ng, what if nagka-pneumonia or tinamaan ka ng viral or bacterial illnesses? Saan ka kukuha? Sa savings mo or dito sa health fund mo? Pwede sa savings mo, but what if naubos yun? Pwedeng dito ka kumuha paunti-unti. Like, eto, pambabayad ko, okay? Na tinamaan ulit ako, pwedeng ganyan, kukuha ka ulit, or pwedeng maubos yan because of a certain condition. So what do we do? Okay? Gusto mo ba yun? Pag yung tipong, eto, naubos na, okay? Now, what if tinamaan ka nung pre-existing condition mo? Kailangan mo magpa-confine because of your pre-existing condition. Saan ka ngayon kukuha ng pera? Sa mga anak mo? Pamilya mo? Kamag-anak mo? Uutang ka? Now, if that would be the case, no, then the situation will be the same as if you didn't prepare for it. Okay, you get me? So, ibahin po natin yung sitwasyon, no? Just like with my father. Okay, we know that he has a pre-existing condition. So, we're trying to set aside something for him, no? For that instance. But nonetheless, we got the insurance plan, we got the medical insurance plan, just in case po, tamaan siya ng accident, okay? Other illnesses, like viral or bacterial. Even right now, the COVID, okay, is actually covered by some institutions. Even medical insurance companies does cover for it. But, disclaimer lang po, no? Normally, ang COVID, since it is being categorized as a pandemic, is usually not covered po. Right now lang talaga, our insurance companies are giving the right consideration for them to cover this kind of illnesses. But they deserve the right not to cover these kinds of illnesses. So, disclaimer lang po yan. So, nonetheless, right now, what if my father gets a pneumonia, community pneumonia, sa nahawa ng isang infection, no? And paano po nag-develop pa siya ng other dreaded illnesses? Okay? So, hindi man sakit sa puso, but what if naging diabetic or other complications, no? Na, kunyari, even cancer can be covered by medical insurance companies. Now, the question is, what do you want? Gusto mo ba ng may health fund ka, tapos ikaw pa rin magsusustain for other kinds of illnesses or accidents? Or, meron ka pa rin health fund, pero meron kang institution na naka-back up sa'yo, just in case these kinds of illnesses or an accident occurs to your life or even to your family. Now, I hope this video makes a lot of sense. I hope I was able to enlighten that kind of concern. It's because, again, it is still cheaper, okay, for you to prepare for other kinds of illnesses rather than you funding for it. Now, to cite an example as again would be, sabihin mo na lang, may naitabi ka 100,000, 150,000 for your pre-existing illnesses. And then, for example, for a guy like me, no, the cheapest would be 9,000 to 12,000 pesos na medical insurance. And then that would cover me around 500,000 pesos. That can be on a per illness basis or an aggregate limit. So nonetheless, isipin mo na lang kung gaano kalaki yung growth ng pera ko pag ginamit ko yun. Okay? I'll be able to save up a lot. I hope this video is very sensible to you. And for those who have worries, who have pre-existing conditions, or your family member has a pre-existing conditions, I hope again you try to reconsider when purchasing these kinds of products. Again, this will help you. Sana po na-enlighten po yung mga tao na may agam-agam, may concern when getting HMO medical insurance because they have a pre-existing condition. So, guys, thank you so much again for the support. Please do comment and suggest what are the topics that you would want to hear more. We are listening, we are reading your comments, and please, guys, please share this knowledge to your friends and family. We would love that. Ask them to subscribe, and we will do our best to do more for you. So again, thank you so much again. This is Jason Gutierrez signing off. See you.